which I have been using for about 3 months. Hair mask oil, scalp and roots revival treatment. Detoxifies build-up and impurities. It nurtures and strengthens the roots and nourishes the scalp. I apply it to my roots. After putting the scalp treatment on, I will coat my entire ends of my hair in this and then wash it out. It felt like it's calmed down my itchiness of my scalp. It's really helped with dandruff.
These hair products are natural. There's no extra chemicals in it. They're sustainable growers in Thailand. They are amazing.